All right, this is a demo for the migrianators theme. That's part of the hack. We're gonna go over our development flow, and we're gonna show you guys how we integrated the Bedrock LLM in Amazon with our data sources and other tools to provide an AI-powered migration assistant designed to automate the complex analysis that is required to migrate between OpenBit and GBP resources. So for this one, we created a prompt that will help us to identify the complete impact of sourcing a particular OpenBit table from GBP. We asked it to consider the source. It's residing in bronze OpenBit at the moment in our lake, and it's sourced from OpenBit. And we plan to move it to GBP platform. Assume GBP, it's already landed in our lake under bronze GBP schema. We provided with some JSON input schemas for now, since we don't have access to the GBP backend, to use it for context, and use the lineage context to evaluate the streams, to evaluate the upstream and downstream dependencies. For this, we use our in-house data hub that provides us with lineage in our data landscape. So we're gonna rerun this particular flow, and we will go through sourcing. We'll then invoke the AI to do the file filter that it's specific to that particular object, and then down the line, it will come up with the planning and migration outcome. At the end of it, we also have attached to it an integration with Jira, where he will create a Jira card, and then in the future we hope to have it assign it to some particular individual or some team. If we go into Jira, we can see that that the card has been created. We haven't assigned it. The only thing we changed was adding the priority and then add the description and context of the outcome of it. It goes through into detailed specification on what are the risks, the complexity, and everything else, the development and validation.
I think
because the judging will start.
Hey guys, sorry.